During the installation of the Symposium Express server software, the following message appears: Setup has found that this drive d:// has less than MB of free space. Do you still want to continue? What step should be taken next? Option A. Simply answer yes and continue with the installation. Option B. Cancel, do an uninstall, and then start the install again. Option C. Cancel, rectify any problems and do a reinstall of the server software. Option D. Cancel, reallocate space on drive d:// so there is at least 128 MB of free space and reinstall. The correct answer is option A. After the field engineer has completed the installation of the Symposium Express call center software on the customer-supplied server and client PCs, the current product enhancement packages, PEPs, must be installed. One of the PEPs that must be installed is named NSGC. On which computer or computers will this PEP be installed? Option A. The server PC only. Option B. The standalone client PCs only. Option C. The server PC with the co-resident client only. Option D. The server PC with the co-resident client and the standalone client PCs. The correct answer is option D. When configuring the customer-supplied computer intended for use as the server PC prior to a new Symposium Express call center installation, the field engineer finds that the customer has supplied a token ring network interface card (NIC) connection to the ELAN. What action should the field engineer take? Option A. Remove the token ring NIC card and use the serial port COM1 for the connection to the ELAN. Option B. Replace the token ring NIC card with a 155 megabits per second OC3 network interface card for connection to TLAN. Option C. Replace the token ring NIC card with a 10-bus Ethernet network interface card for connection to the ELAN. Option D. Leave the token ring NIC card as is since the ELAN can be either token ring or Ethernet depending on the customer's local area network requirements. The correct answer is option C. Symposium Express Call Center, SECC, requires that it is platform vendor independent. This means the customer or vendor is responsible for the server and operating system. What operating systems are supported on SEC? Choose 2. Option A. Windows 2000 Server. Option B. Windows XP Professional. Option C. Windows 2000 Advanced Server. Option D. Windows 2000 Data Center Server. The correct answer is option A, C,